Warren Buffett is one of the most venerated names on the billionaires list thanks to his insight into investing. Buffett always seems to pick superior stocks with high dividend yields. His strategy has been replicated the world over with remarkable success. You don't need millions or billions to start investing in dividends. Here are the best dividend stocks to consider investing in, starting with just $300. Number 1. Occidental Petroleum. Warren Buffett has a unique philosophy regarding dividend investing. Buffett emphasizes simplicity, sophistication, and common sense. As a result, Buffett does not thoughtlessly invest in dividend stocks that pay the highest. The company's annual dividend yield of 1.2% may not be among the highest dividend-paying companies. However, it is easy to see why Buffett is betting on the company's dividend. Inflation increases the price of commodities, which in turn increases the revenue realized by energy firms. Increased revenue translates to increased profits. Occidental Petroleum guarantees investors regular payment of dividends, thereby making it attractive for long-term investment. Further, the company's outlook is good thanks to the stability of oil prices. You can invest just $300. Buffett is a living example of a smart investor when it comes to choosing the right stocks. Be sure to pick the stock that has the potential to grow over time rather than one that is already through the roof. Number 2. American Express. Warren Buffett warns against taking unnecessary risks. Invest in a tested and proven stock like American Express. Currently, the company's dividend yield stands at 1.4%, which is far more than the 0.5% dividend yield that Apple pays. Adding the company's stock to your portfolio would offer the right stock diversification. The company's profitability has picked pace again after difficult years of the pandemic. It is important to note that the company but also guarantees future payment of improved dividends. Unsurprisingly, Buffett trusts the company's stock. If you would like $300 a month, I would recommend this stock. The yield may not be the highest in the short run, but you are sure that you will be rewarded with dividend payments every year. In addition, this stock. Warren Buffett acquired Louisiana-Pacific at the end of 2022. Since then, Berkshire has acquired more stake in the company. What has shown consistency in paying high dividend yields. Further, the company is increasingly reorienting its business by specializing in segments with great growth potential. Some people are not yet convinced that Buffett has invested in the right dividend. Buffett says, "Be fearful when others are greedy, and greedy when others are fearful." If you are convinced that Louisiana-Pacific offers the best dividend investment opportunity, then it is time to make a move and start investing $300 into the dividend each month. Number 4. Coca-Cola. Coca-Cola is one of the lucrative dividends that Warren Buffett and Berkshire own. Berkshire acquired the Atlanta-based multinational corporation in 1988. Currently, Coca-Cola rewards investors' portfolio. Number 5. Bank of America. Berkshire's second largest ownership stake is in the bank, with the largest holding being Apple. The bank finds itself on our list because of its dividend yield of 3.2%, which is more than double the S&P dividend yield of 1.5%. Deposits. The implication is that the bank will be able to realize more profits over time and reduce its losses. Investing in the bank's stock can, therefore, be considered a safe bet. Number 6. HP. HP is valued at $29.2 billion, and its dividend yield currently stands at 3.5%, which is decent relative to the S&P average of 1.5%. Although Warren Buffett started investing in the company a little more than a year ago, Berkshire has grown to become the largest investor in the California-based multinational corporation. As proof of the power that Buffett yields in the market, his move boosted HP's share price by 15%. Are you looking for a secure stock? HP's financial strength, coupled with impeccable leadership, is what gives investors like Buffett confidence in the stock. The possibility of recession is why we are only recommending stocks that consistently pay out. Number 7. Chevron. Energy stocks continue to outperform the market and are predicted to continue performing well in the market. Warren Buffett has not made secret his admiration of Chevron. Chevron's leadership reiterates that payment of dividends is top of its financial priorities. The company's $302 billion market valuation makes the company financially strong, something that assures investors that they will continue enjoying hefty returns. The cherry on top of the cake is that the oil giant's shares are down in 2023, meaning you can reinvest your earnings in exchange for more shares. To recommend Kraft Heinz's stocks without telling you something about the company. We value you as a loyal consumer of our channel's content. Please take a moment to click on the subscribe button before I tell you more about Kraft Heinz and why you should invest in their dividend stock. The company's products include famous brands such as Heinz Ketchup, Kraft Mac and Cheese, and Kool-Aid, among others. The company has a strong presence in the packaged food market. Kraft Heinz has significant pricing power in the market, meaning it can pass substantial costs to customers without risking losing customers. As a result, Kraft Heinz has consistently grown its revenue and profitability in the past years. That is the good of the company. On the flip side, the company's stock has held steady for several years. Ideally, you should not expect stock. Number 9. Paramount Global. Paramount Global boasts some of the greatest movie stars, including Tom Cruise, Leonardo DiCaprio, and Shia LaBeouf. As a result, the company's streaming platform has witnessed significant growth in the past couple of years. The company added about 10 million new subscribers in 2022 alone. To say this feat exceeds all expectations would be an understatement. $300 a month on the stock. It is essential to note the drawbacks of investing in Paramount stock, mainly because of the slight slash of the dividend it paid in May 2023. Such a move signals doubts about the growth of the dividend anytime soon, as far as the current trend is not reversed. Although the reduction in the payment of dividends may not be great news for investors, it could be explained as necessary considering the high previous payments. Nevertheless, I advise you to take caution before you choose the dividend stock. It will be interesting to see what Buffett and other heavyweight investors have seen in the stock. Number 10. Citigroup. It is essential to invest in the right stock when starting with a modest investment of $300 a month. The right stock is the one that helps you make money while reducing the overall risk of your investment. Citigroup. The greatest strength of the bank is its broad customer base and geographical reach. The bank serves about 200 customers in over 160 countries. For this reason, the bank can be considered an established entity with great growth potential. Conversely, the group's strength can also be its greatest weakness. Ideally, operating in multiple jurisdictions means that the bank is subjected to many regulations, which make compliance not only complex but also expensive. This means that the bank. If you enjoyed watching this video and want to support the channel for more great content, please consider liking, subscribing, and commenting below. We would like to know which passive income source is the best. Turn on notifications on this channel to get notified of the newest video we upload regularly. Thanks for watching.